In this video, I'll guide you through how to unblock websites on Google on an iPhone device. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Firstly, go to your Chrome browser or your Safari browser. In this video, I'll be using the Chrome browser. Then open google.com. Mine is already opened. Then you scroll down to settings, then tap on it. Then you select search settings, then tap on it. Under the content tab, you see the save search. You tap on it. Inside the save search menu, remove it from filter to off to disable save search. Save search is now off. The second step is to go to your settings. Open the settings app. Then you scroll down till you find screen time. Then you tap on it. Then you scroll down again to content and privacy restrictions. You tap on it. Then you switch the toggle on content and privacy restrictions. Then you head over to App Store, Media, Web and Games and tap on it. Then when it opens, you go over to Web Content, then tap on it. Now you have to move it from only approved websites or limit adult websites to unrestricted. And this is how to unblock websites on Google.